It's almost 7 o'clock. What should we do tonight?
I'm not sure. I'm feeling a little tired from the week.
Me too. Maybe we should just have a quiet night in.
We could order a pizza and watch a movie. That sounds easy.
We could order a pizza and watch a movie. That sounds easy. No, me neither. But my colleague told me about a new restaurant downtown.
A new restaurant? What kind of food is it?
It's a Greek restaurant. She said it's very authentic and not too expensive.
Greek food. That does sound delicious.
I thought so too. It's something different.
But is it very busy on a Saturday? I don't want to wait in a long line.
That is a good point. I have an idea.
What is it?
We can call them now and see if we can make a reservation.
Oh, good thinking. If we can get a table, then we don't have to wait.
Exactly. And if they are full, we can just go back to our pizza and movie plan.
It's a perfect plan. There is no risk.
Okay, I will look up their phone number right now.
And I will cross my fingers that they have a table for us.
Me too. I'm suddenly in the mood for Greek food.
So am I. This is much more exciting than just staying home.
I'm glad you agree. Okay, I'm calling them now.
Oh no, not again.
Hi, Mark. Is everything okay? You look frustrated.
Hi, Sophie. I'm trying to print a report for the big meeting this afternoon.
And I guess the printer is not working?
Exactly. I press print, but nothing comes out. The screen says there is a paper jam.
The classic paper jam.
The classic paper jam. This printer is famous for that.
I don't know how to fix it. I'm worried I won't have the report ready in time.
Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. I can help you.
Really? That would be great. Thank you.
Of course. First, you need to open this panel on the right side.
Okay, I have it open.
Now, look inside. You should see a piece of paper that is stuck.
Yes, I see it. It's folded in a strange way.
You just need to pull it out very slowly. Be gentle.
Okay, pulling slowly. I got it.
Perfect. Now just close the panel again.
The printer whirs to life. It's making a noise. A good noise.
Yes, the screen says ready to print.
My report is printing. Sophie, thank you so much. You saved me.
It's no problem at all. We are a team here.
Now I can be ready for my meeting.
Glad I could help. Good luck with the report.
Thanks again.
That was a delicious dinner. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Now I can relax and watch a movie.
Wait a moment. What about all these dirty dishes?
Oh, right, the dishes.
The kitchen is a mess. Someone needs to wash them.
I know. I think it's your turn tonight, isn't it? My turn? I don't think so. I washed them yesterday. Are you sure? I remember washing a lot of pots and pans. Yes, but I washed all the plates and glasses from dinner yesterday. I really thought it was your turn, and I thought it was yours. This is a problem. I have an idea. Let's check the chore chart on the fridge. The chart! I always forget we have that. Good idea. Okay.
It's almost 7 o'clock. What should we do tonight?
I'm not sure. I'm feeling a little tired from the week.
Me too. Maybe we should just have a quiet night in.
We could order a pizza and watch a movie. That sounds easy.
We could order a pizza and watch a movie. That sounds easy. No, me neither. But my colleague told me about a new restaurant downtown.
A new restaurant? What kind of food is it?
It's a Greek restaurant. She said it's very authentic and not too expensive.
Greek food. That does sound delicious.
I thought so too. It's something different.
But is it very busy on a Saturday? I don't want to wait in a long line.
That is a good point. I have an idea.
What is it?
We can call them now and see if we can make a reservation.
Oh, good thinking. If we can get a table, then we don't have to wait.
Exactly. And if they are full, we can just go back to our pizza and movie plan.
It's a perfect plan. There is no risk.
Okay, I will look up their phone number right now.
And I will cross my fingers that they have a table for us.
Me too. I'm suddenly in the mood for Greek food.
So am I. This is much more exciting than just staying home.
I'm glad you agree. Okay, I'm calling them now.
Good morning. Are you making coffee?
Yes, the coffee is almost ready. Do you want some toast?
I would love some, but I think we have a problem.
A problem? What is it?
I tried to use the toaster, but it is not working.
Oh, are you sure it's plugged in?
Yes, I checked the plug first. It's definitely in.
That's strange. It worked perfectly yesterday.
I know. I pushed the handle down, but nothing happens. No light, no heat.
Let me try. You are right. It's completely dead.
I think it's finally broken. It was a very old toaster.
I agree. Well, what do we do for breakfast now?
I have an idea.
This is so nice. I'm glad we had time to meet for coffee today.
Me too. It's been a busy week. It's good to finally relax.
So tell me, how was your week?
It was okay. A lot of work as usual. How about you?
Same for me, but I have some exciting news.
Oh, really? What is it?
I finally booked my vacation.
No way. That's amazing. Where are you going? I decided to go to Italy for 2 weeks.
Italy? I am so jealous. I love Italy.
When do you leave?
I leave in 3 weeks. I am already so excited.
I can imagine. Are you going alone?
No, I'm going with my sister. That will be so much fun. Do you have a plan for what you will see? Not really. We have our flights and the first hotel, but that's it. Sometimes it's more fun to be spontaneous and not have a big plan. That's what I think too. We just want to explore, eat good pasta, and relax. It sounds absolutely perfect. Now I just have to survive 3 more weeks of work. You can do it. Thinking about your vacation will make it easier. That's true. You have to send me a lot of pictures while you are there. Of course I will. I am so happy for you. This is great news. Thank you. It feels good to finally have a trip planned.
I am so happy the work week is over.
Me too. It felt very long this week.
Do you have any special plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was waiting to see what the weather will be like.
I just checked the forecast. It says it will be sunny and warm tomorrow.
Oh, wonderful. We must do something outside then.
I agree. We shouldn't stay inside on a beautiful day.
Do you have any ideas? I don't want to just do the same old thing.
I have an idea we haven't done in a long time.
What is it?
We could take our bicycles and ride to the lake.
The lake. That's a fantastic idea. I haven't been on my bike in weeks.
The path to the lake is so beautiful in September.
You are right. And it's good exercise too.
We could pack some sandwiches and drinks in a backpack.
And we can have a small picnic when we get there.
Exactly. So are you free to go tomorrow morning?
Yes, I am completely free. What time should we leave?
How about we leave around 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock is perfect. It's not too early.
Great. We should check the air in our bike tires tonight.
Good thinking. I will get the pump from the basement.
I'm already excited. It's going to be a perfect Saturday.
I agree. Thank you for the great idea.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. Everything looks so fresh.
Thank you. We picked all these vegetables from our garden this morning.
Wonderful. I would like to buy some carrots, please.
Of course. How many would you like?
I think 1/2 kilogram is good.
1/2 kilogram of carrots. Here you are. They are very sweet.
They look perfect. Now, I also need some potatoes.
The potatoes are over here. They are great for roasting or making soup.
I want to make a potato salad. Which ones are best for that?
For a salad, I recommend these smaller, waxy potatoes.
Why are they better?
They stay firm when you cook them. They don't fall apart.
Oh, that is exactly what I need. My salads are always too soft.
Then these are the perfect potatoes for you.
Great. I will take 1 kilogram of those, please.
Excellent choice. So that is 1/2 kilo of carrots and 1 kilo of potatoes.
Yes, that's all for today.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. How much is that?
That will be $6, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy making your potato salad.
I will. Thank you for the good advice.
My pleasure. Have a lovely weekend.
The weather is so nice today. I'm going to water the plants on the balcony.
Oh, good idea. They are probably thirsty.
Most of them look good, but I am a little worried about the tomato plant.
The tomato plant? What's wrong with it? I thought it was growing so well.
It was, but now some of the leaves are turning yellow.
Yellow leaves? That's not a good sign.
I know. Do you think I'm giving it too much water?
It's possible, or maybe not enough water?
It's so confusing. I watered it 2 days ago.
Let me see the soil. It feels quite dry.
So it does need more water?
I think so. The sun is very strong on this balcony in the afternoon.
That's true. It gets sun all day.
I have an idea. Maybe we should also give it some plant food.
Plant food? You mean fertilizer?
Yes, it gives the plant extra vitamins to help it grow strong.
That is a great idea. Do we have any?
I think we have a small bottle under the kitchen sink.
I will go look for it right now.
Okay, I will give the plant a good drink of water.
Perfect. We are a good team for our little plant.
I hope it feels better soon. I really want to eat some fresh tomatoes.
Me too. The recycling corner is getting very full.
I know, we need to take it all out to the collection point tomorrow.
Okay, let's make sure everything is sorted correctly.
I tried to sort it. Can you check if I did it right? I'm still learning the rules.
No problem at all. Let's look together.
Okay, I put all the plastic bottles in this big bag.
That's perfect. All the PET bottles go in there.
What about this empty milk bottle? Is that okay too? Ah, good question. Milk bottles are different plastic. They go in a separate bag. Oh, I see. I will move it now. And what about this glass jar? I put it in the bag for glass. Great. Just remember to take the metal lid off. The lid, where does that go? All metal, like lids and aluminum cans, goes into
The bus is late again. I hate waiting here.
It is okay, Tom. It is only 5 minutes late.
But I am very busy. I have no time for anything.
What do you want to do today?
I want to study English, but I need 2 hours for that.
2 hours? That is a very big plan.
Yes, I never have 2 hours, so I just look at my phone.
Are you learning English on your phone now?
No, I'm just watching funny cat videos.
Oh, Tom, you are meeting a time thief.
A time thief? What is that?
It is something that steals your time, like social media.
You're right. I feel tired after I watch these videos.
Look at me. I'm using my pocket time to learn.
Pocket time? What do you mean?
Think of time like small coins. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there.
So waiting for the bus is like a small coin.
Exactly. Do not throw the coin away. Use it.
But what can I do in only 5 minutes?
You can make a tiny plan. Don't say, I will study for hours.
What should I say instead?
Say, I will learn 3 new words while I wait.
3 words? That sounds like a piece of cake.
It is. When you have a small goal, you don't feel stressed.
I see. It's like a GPS. I need a clear address.
Yes, study English is too vague. Learn 3 words is clear.
Okay, I want to try. Do you have a notebook?
I have one right here. Do you want to see my words for today?
Yes, please. Oh, these are good words.
Now you are investing your time, not wasting it.
I feel better already. I'm not angry at the bus now.
You are right. The bus is here and I already learned 2 words.
See? You don't need 2 hours. You just need a tiny plan. Thank you, Sarah.
Tomorrow I will bring my own notebook.
That is a great idea. Let's get on the bus. Elena, my head hurts. I think I am going crazy.
Oh no, why? Are you okay?
I am trying to learn all these grammar rules. They are so difficult.
That book looks very thick and boring.
Mark, it is. But I want to speak perfect English, so I must study it.
But you look very unhappy. You're pushing yourself too much.
I feel like a child being shouted at. Do it perfectly. Don't make mistakes.
That is the problem. Your brain hates constant stress.
But I must work hard every minute. I don't want to waste my life.
If English feels like a punishment, you will want to run away from it.
So what should I do? I need to learn.
You need